Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang, Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Hub, Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Hub, Life Sales application knowledge, targeted for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health, Life Sales, and Golden International Daily Actions. Requirement for participating to learn and obtain effect and so on are placed at following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we teach this action, hand action, leg action, and connect. Some people ask, how many times we need to do for this action each day? Good question. We give exactly answer is 100 times. Should we do more? No. That's we give exactly answer. The reason is after our many decades deeply research and back practice, and finally, we got the conclusion is 100 times is just for good for your body. However, if one action to do too much, maybe will hurt your body inside some parts and some organs. That's what we don't want. So 100 times each day, it is enough. However, somebody asked, should we do less? Of course, especially for beginner. You just join, you need to address your action and correct. Make sure your action is correct so you can do less. However, when you get the professional, you need to do 100 times each day in order to protect your health. Before we do the daily quantity, the 100 times, we need to know a couple of things everybody must remember. Number one, 2 feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any sound. Number two, so for beginner or just join, must make the action slowly, and correct. Make sure your action is correct. It is very, very important. You must make your action correct. And leg straight. Keep straight. Cannot do that. Okay. Always straight. And keep your body upright. And avoid leaning forward or backward. Number 3, hand close. And finger close bottom and hand cross in the down as close as possible with your belly. Okay, down, deeply down cannot do that way, deeply down. Yes, and move side with body one flat. Cannot do that, no. Just one way, one action, one direction, cannot do that. And raising up is one direction, is ear side, one direction. Cannot do that way. Yes. Okay, now we still need two different language to count. In here, we choose is English Han. Somebody say, why we should choose two different language to count? Good question. Because we want to protect our chicken in the long, right? Far away, bronchitis, lung disease, either lung cancer, and pandemic, and many diseases. So we need to count, use two language. But some people say, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose English and Spanish, or either you can choose English, French. Easy. Okay, two different language. That's what we want. It's make an exercise about your trachea and your lung every day. That's need. Okay, still we need. Remember, eyes look straight. Keep your smiling face. Okay, now everybody follow me. Do the 1 day time quantity 100 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、69、70、71、72、73、74、75、76、77、78、79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 六、七、八、九、10 3 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 4 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 5 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 6 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 7 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 8 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Do that action, okay, should make it correct, slowly by slowly. But after, when you get professional, you can do fast. But if you're not make sure your action direct is correct, you should do slowly, slowly. Make action, every action is correct. Somebody will ask, they cannot do for that way. So it is easy. You can do some action instead of. For example, you start, you can do this, that, then, finally. Yeah. But you should keep ear side. You're gonna do this, ear side. Yes. Of course you can do, because everybody after change it. Little by little, think for that, make it correct. Little change, finally can do that. Because that is no big deal, right? Just make it correct, live to yourself. Learn correct language. You must correct language at home. You can do by yourself, or you with your kids, or with your parents, or you by yourself to do every day. Do the action. Of course, you can far away different disease, pandemic, some bronchitis, and so many diseases, and you can enjoy your happy, wonderful